Don't buy it. Watch our video till the end so you won't make any mistakes and you'll see exactly which tool is better for you. We'll share our own experience. So let's get started.
If you're trying to choose between Adobe XD and Figma for UI UX design in 2026, I've been using both for about 6 months, and they offer very different experiences for designers. Figma is probably the tool most teams are choosing today. I liked how easy it is to collaborate, share designs, and get feedback in real time. Everything runs in the browser, which makes working with teammates, clients, and developers much easier. The plugin ecosystem is also a big advantage, with many tools that improve the design workflow. The downside is that large files can sometimes become slower, and some advanced features may require a paid plan. Adobe XD was a strong competitor for years, especially for designers already using Adobe products. I liked the clean interface, smooth prototyping features, and how well it connected with other Adobe tools. It was a comfortable option for creating interactive designs quickly. The downside is that the design community and development around XD are not as active as Figma's, and many teams have moved to other platforms. The biggest thing to pay attention to is your team and workflow. If you need collaboration, remote work, and a tool that is widely used by modern design teams, Figma is probably the better choice. If you already have an Adobe workflow and mainly work on your own projects, Adobe XD may still feel familiar and useful. After using both, I'd say Figma is better for most UI UX designers in 2026, while Adobe XD is better for users who are already invested in the Adobe ecosystem. So in one sentence, Figma wins on collaboration and community, while Adobe XD wins on integration with Adobe tools and simple prototyping. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more design tool reviews. Thanks for watching.